Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can make google.com your default search engine in the Comet AI web browser in 2025. For example, if you don't like the idea of using Perplexity or any other search engines and would like to switch back to Google while keeping Comet AI as your preferred browser, guys. This is how you can do it. In the first step, launch the Comet AI web browser, and what you want to do next is navigate to your browser settings through that arrow down icon in the top right and through this button at the bottom of that menu. Here inside your browser settings, navigate to search engine to the left. And here guys, as you can see, as previously mentioned, Perplexity will be set to the default or to being the default search engine, which means guys, whenever you open your Comet AI web browser on the home or start page or open a new tab, you will see that communication panel here with Perplexity AI, with the artificial intelligence, giving you the opportunity to use it for navigation, for example, to specific websites, or to use it as a simple conversation or chat tool with the artificial intelligence like you usually do on most other chat agents like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, Grok, Claude, and so on and so forth. If you don't like that, guys, you may simply use Google as your start page and search engine. To do that, click into change here and switch from Perplexity to Google and confirm by clicking into set as default. Of course, you may go with other search engines like Privacy Wall or Yahoo Search, DuckDuckGo, Bing, and so on and so forth. I will leave it at Perplexity. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.